Today I will share with you one of my favorite salad, fennel and orange salad. This is how I do it. Let's look at the ingredients. This portion is enough for 4 to 6 people, or you can make it and serve it on several days. It will keep well in the fridge for about 3 days. You will need 2 fennels, 2 carrots, 2 oranges for the salad and 1 orange for the dressing, and about 3 baby lettuce. In the end, I will also show you how to make some small fennel orange bites. We will start the chopping process with the lettuce. What I like to do is open up each baby lettuce leaf and stack them on top of each other, and then start chopping them into thin slices, just like that. Some folks are not fans of the middle part of the baby lettuce. Before adding it to the salad, taste it and see if it's to your liking before adding it. I liked it, so I added it. For the carrots, I prefer to peel them. The way I do it is cut each end of the carrot so you can slide the peeler easily, and then once the peeling is done, I proceed to cut it into a matchstick. You can definitely use the peels in your salad if you prefer the thinly texture. The slices should be about a matchstick length, or if you prefer the culinary term, julienne cut. The end result. For the fennel, what I like to do is discard the top part and the bottom part to make it easier to get rid of the hard core in the middle. Then slice it in half, just like that, to create a flat surface. Don't forget to get rid of the middle part, this one. It's very tough and not very tasty, so get rid of it. Then proceed to chop the fennel. For the oranges, it's quite simple. All you have to do is peel them, separate them, and cut them. Now, in this step, you can definitely go all in and supreme an orange, if you prefer. In my case, I prefer to have this salad quickly, so I decided to not supreme the orange. Once I have all the ingredients are in, I like to add a zest of 1 orange, the orange that I will be using for the dressing. Once the zest are in, we are ready to make the dressing. To make the dressing, we will need some olive oil, add in some salt and black pepper, a small amount of vinegar, and a juice of one orange, which is for some technical reasons I did not film. Personally, I tried to add the juice of an orange or a juice of a lemon. Both are great if oranges are not available. Now I will show you how to make the bite version of the salads. So, starting with the 1 leaf of baby lettuce, we will start layering it up, starting with the oranges. This time we're gonna supreme the orange, removing all the white parts and just having the pure orange pulp. After the orange, we're gonna move to the fennel. The fennel will be sliced thinly and placed top of the orange. Next, start peeling some carrots. Then carefully start placing each carrot peel between the fennels. Once you're happy with the placement, your fennel orange bite is done. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your salad eating friends. See you on the next video.